this Saker mini chainsaw. Now, I didn't really put it through a real hard test, but you're going to see today. I just took down some limbs, and we're going to see if this makes the grade. Okay? And we're going to get started. Now, I'll be honest with you, I think this might be just a little bit too much, but we don't know until we try. Now, handles that real well.
Please consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, and please give the channel a like. It goes a long way to supporting the channel. Thank you.
Actually, I should move it around the other way. Make it a little easier, right, guys? I know somebody in the comments would have said something about that anyway. Well, I gotta tell you, so far, this little saw is a mighty tough little one. Now, I've had it for maybe a year now. It's doing the job. We'll continue this. Okay. This is our next victim. This should be a good test. Let's give it a try. Well, guys, that's a nice little chunk of wood there. I believe on the updated video that this Saker makes the grade. Thank you for watching.